How to induce lucid dreams. Master the art of conscious dreaming. Have you ever wanted to control your dreams, explore limitless worlds, or unlock hidden parts of your creativity? Lucid dreaming lets you take charge in the realm of dreams. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to inducing lucid dreams and turning your nighttime wanderings into an extraordinary adventure. Lucid dreaming is the ability to become aware that you're dreaming while still inside the dream. Once aware, you can influence the dream's storyline, environment, or characters. It's not only exciting, it's also a tool for personal growth, problem solving, and creativity. Lucid dreaming isn't just for seasoned dreamers. Anyone can learn it with the right techniques and consistent practice. Let's uncover those methods to help you take control of your dreams starting tonight. Dream journaling is the foundation of lucid dreaming. As soon as you wake up, write down every detail you remember from your dreams. This helps improve dream recall, a critical first step in identifying patterns and gaining awareness. Keep your journal by your bedside and record dreams the moment you wake. Over time, you'll notice recurring symbols or themes. These dream signals can act as triggers to realize you're dreaming during the night. Reality checks are simple tests to distinguish the real world from a dream. For example, try pushing your finger through your palm or reading text and looking away to see if it changes. These checks help you develop the habit of questioning your reality. Frequent reality checks during your day will spill over into your dreams. When you perform a check in a dream, you'll realize you're dreaming and gain control. It's a small habit that leads to big transformations. Mild or mnemonic induction of lucid dreams uses your memory to promote dream awareness. Before bed, repeat a mantra like, "I will realize I'm dreaming." Combine this with visualizing yourself recognizing a recent dream, and you'll set the stage for lucidity. This technique takes advantage of your mind's suggestibility right before sleeping. Used consistently, Mild becomes a powerful method to train your subconscious for lucid dreaming. The wake back to bed method involves waking up after 4-6 hours of sleep, staying awake for 20-30 minutes, and then returning to sleep while focusing on lucid dreaming intentions. This approach taps into the natural REM cycle when most vivid dreams occur. While waking up mid-sleep may sound disruptive, it's an effective way to boost dream clarity. Combine WBTB with Mild for even better results and faster progress toward lucid dreaming. Mindfulness is your gateway to heightened awareness, both in your waking and dreaming lives. Spend a few minutes daily focusing on your breath or tuning into your surroundings. This practice strengthens your ability to recognize when something feels off in a dream. Meditation also improves the stability and quality of lucid dreams. The more present and self-aware you are during the day, the better you'll be at achieving lucidity at night. A restful atmosphere enhances your chances of lucid dreaming. Keep your sleeping area dark, quiet, and comfortably cool. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, and establish a relaxing bedtime routine to improve sleep quality. Consider using aromatherapy, such as lavender or calming sounds to relax. A sleep-friendly environment ensures you enter the dream world with ease and focus on inducing lucidity. Lucid dreaming is an incredible experience that not only satisfies curiosity, but also opens doors to endless creativity and self-discovery. By journaling dreams, practicing reality checks, and combining proven methods like Mild and WBTB, you'll soon unlock the ability to dream consciously. Now it's your turn. Start your dream journal tonight. Try one technique and share your progress in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on unlocking your mind's incredible potential. Sweet dreams and happy lucid dreaming.